Jai Hind SSB aspirant. Today we are going to learn about the psychology test, which one is one of the most important test of your SSB journey. जिससे कि most of the candidate scared होते हैं. तो for all the newcomers in this video, I am going to teach you about whole SSB procedure, the psychology test. Let's come to the slide. What is the psychology test in the SSB? See, what is the psychology test in the SSB? The psychology test in the SSB is a non-interactive, projective psychological evaluation conducted by a trained psychologist who is a part of the SSB board. एक ट्रेंड DIPR ट्रेंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट होता है जो बोर्ड का पार्ट होता है और वो आपके साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट को कंडक्ट करता है. द साइकोलॉजिस्ट डज नॉट इंटरैक्ट विद द कैंडिडेट्स डायरेक्टली. सी व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन, you are as a candidate going to interact with your personal interviewing officer directly. आप अपने GTO से डायरेक्टली मिलने वाले हो, बट जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके डोजियर से मीट करने वाला है, आपसे नहीं. वो सीधा कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपको देखता है कि आप वो कैंडिडेट हो जिसका डोजियर उसने चेक किया है. उसके पास सिर्फ 2 डॉक्यूमेंट्स होंगे, आपका डोजियर और आपका PIQ फॉर्म. सो बी केयरफुल रिगार्डिंग दिस टेस्ट. But evaluates written responses to infer the deep personality traits. It is a part of stage 2 testing and helps assess the candidate's subconscious mind and how well they exhibit the officer-like qualities OLQs required for a role in the armed forces. See, all the officers, be it GTO, interview and psychologist, everyone is looking for the OLQs, but their technique is different. See, in the psychology test, why this test becomes so much difficult? Because of the time pressure. Because in the armed forces when you will be commissioned, आप एज एन ऑफिसर सर्व कर रहे होंगे, वहाँ पे आपके पास टाइम कम होगा, तो कम टाइम में आपको क्विक डिसीजन लेने हैं जो कि साइकोलॉजी में साइकोलॉजिस्ट चेक करता है. पर्पस ऑफ द साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई द कैंडिडेट्स नेचुरल बिहेवियर एंड टेंडेंसीज, टू चेक फॉर द प्रेजेंस एंड लेवल ऑफ OLQs such as responsibility, initiative, decision making, self confidence and courage, etc. There are 15 OLQs. Some major OLQs is going to be checked through your psychology test to evaluate whether a candidate is psychologically suited for a career as an officer in the armed forces. See, every human being or every candidate is good, but the thing is that candidate is personally suited for the armed forces or not. That psychologist is going to check in this test to assess how the mind reacts under time pressure and in the stressful or uncertain situation. कि आपका माइंड कैसे रिएक्ट करता है इन सारी कंडीशंस में. How it works, what are the test is going to be conducted? In short, we will know. The psychologist analyzes the candidate's responses from the following 4 tests collectively called the psychological test, like TAT, like the WAT, like the SRT, and the last one is your SD. See, in the TAT, what is going to happen? Psychologist will show you 12 pictures, 11 pictures, 1 blank pictures. Each picture will remain on the screen for 30 seconds and then you will get 4 minutes to write. This test will take approximately 1 hour because the TAT is going to have the 70% of the weightage of the complete psychology test. Then the WAT. See, TAT is a basic series test and the WAT is a confirmatory series test. The OLQs shown by a candidate in the TAT, उन OLQs को कंफर्म करने के लिए बाकी के टेस्ट हैं, लाइक WAT, लाइक SRT एंड द SD. तो WAT में क्या होगा? दिस टेस्ट इज गोइंग टू टेक 15 मिनट्स. ईच वर्ड विल बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन फॉर 15 सेकेंड. Collectively there will be 60 words and on which candidate have to write the sentence which is going to represent his qualities. Similarly the SRT, in the SRT you will be given 30 minutes, you will be given a booklet in which 60 SRT will be written. आपको क्या करना है, बुकलेट पे बिना मार्क करते हुए अपना साइकोलॉजी का डोजियर होगा, उस पर आपको उस सीरियल नंबर के सामने अपनी रिस्पॉन्सेस को लिखना है. देन द SD, सेल्फ डिस्क्रिप्शन, 5 पैराग्राफ्स. व्हाट्स योर पेरेंट्स थिंक, व्हाट्स योर टीचर्स थिंक और द बॉस थिंक्स, व्हाट्स योर फ्रेंड्स ओपिनियन and what is your self opinion and what kind of person you want to become. Time given for this is 15 minutes. What is the psychologist looking for? See, the consistency. See, what used to happen, there is a 2 things. One is quantity, second one is quality. First of all, as a candidate you have to fulfill the requirement of the test. Means you have to write all the 12 stories, 60 WAT, 60 SRT and 5 paragraph of the SD. and you have to maintain the consistency. Then the balance between the self image and the actual reactions, whatever the reactions you are writing, because the psychology is a test of your imagination, means what is your actual personality और आप जो पर्सनालिटी वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो उसमें कितनी सिमिलरिटी और बैलेंस है. स्पॉन्टेनिटी एंड ओरिजिनलिटी इन योर थिंकिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्स, कि आप कितने स्पॉन्टेनियस हो, आप कितना क्विक डिसीजंस बनाते हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू मैटर. देन द पॉजिटिविटी रिगार्डिंग द लाइफ एज वेल एज द regarding the test, what kind of person you are, like there is a very major quality of the 15 OLQs that is called liveliness, कितना जिंदा दिल इंसान आप हो. Your ability to stay calm, focused and goal oriented. See what is going to happen, the psychology test is going to happen under pressure of time. You have to be balanced, calm, focused, so that your mind can give your maximum potential. That is the end of from my side. So what you need to do, if you want to improve your psychology, come and join the Major Kalsi classes, offline classes, and we will teach you what is the TAT, what is the WAT, what is SRT and what is SD in the detail. I hope you got the basic knowledge regarding the psychology test. Thank you. Jai Hind.